Hello students, today we will learn to use MS Access. MS is a name of company. Access, it is a name of software. How to start MS Access? In Windows 10, first way we can say it lengthy way. Click on Start button. This is a list of programs. You can scroll up and down to see full list. Basically it is alphabetically, so we can find any software easily. Find MS Office or Microsoft Office in this list because Access is part of MS Office. Click on Microsoft Office. Click on Microsoft Access 2010. The second way to open MS Access. It is very easy. Click on search option and here you need to write Access, ACCESS. On the top you can see Microsoft Access 2010. Click on it and it will be open. You can see blank database option. Click on it if it is not selected by default. Here we can give name to our database file. Now click on Create. Name, father name and city. See, this table is blank. There are no column headings and data etc. So first of all we will give heading to columns. Right click on table, click on design view, click on OK. Now you can see new interface where we can give headings first, because before making any table we give headings. First column name is ID. You can change if you want, but don't change this data types auto number. Auto number should be in data type. Second heading, right name. Now select text. Third heading, write father name. Remember, in Access, we can't use special symbols in column heading like full stop, comma, @ $sign, etc. So we need to remove if you have by mistake you have given full stop to any column heading. We have successfully created 4 columns. Now is the time to fill data. So right click on table and click on open. Click on yes to save table. You can see field names in our table. Now enter data. No need to write in serial number because we have already set auto number. It will automatically come. Start from name. Click with mouse and here you can enter name. Now, if you want to go to next record, you need to press enter button. We can save our file with 2 methods. You can click on this button if you want, otherwise click on file tab and here from you can click on save. Now it is saved. How to close it? You can click on this close button if you want to close. And second option, we need to click on file tab and here you can click on exit.